Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I am going to show you that how to restore your deleted posts, photos or videos on Facebook. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section and then tap on the gear to open up settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you will have to scroll down a little bit and then you will find an activity log option. Just simply tap on it. Here you can get a trash option. Tap on it. So that's where you can find your deleted posts. So if you want to restore them, you can just simply select them all by tapping on this all icon, or you can just simply select them one by one, or you can select them multiple. So if you want to restore them, just simply tap at restore and tap at restore to continue. So that's how you can easily restore your deleted posts or photos or videos on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and I recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.